If you're looking for a new pair of skates, or particularly your first pair, you have to take a couple things into consideration. To start with what size you require, then your match, style of play, physique, and preference. Locating very comfortable ice hockey skates is going to require you know each of these for yourself. It is all about comfort and the performance you get out of the skate. Check out below for the best Bauer skates Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. And save huge this Cyber Monday. Head over to the video description to find out more about the featured products and links to buy them. The new model of the Draft 281 hockey skates in an attractive design with the combination of silver and gold decoration on a black base and silver laces is designed for active, young hockey players. It comes with protective elements consisting of the ergonomic cut of the upper with strengthening at the sides. The top is made of high-quality black PA fabric with an attractive silver print, combined with resistant synthetic material and increased heel area, imitating carbon material. It has a new anatomical tongue for improved comfort during skating. Also, the plastic toe is coated with a PA fabric, which reliably protects the toes during collisions. And the insole consists of a dual-component felt sandwich. However, it has padding for ankles in two different stiffnesses, DDP, and a padded lining made from synthetic velour ensures the overall resistance and strength of the boot. On the other hand, it comes with a black PVC outsole and white Botas Falcon carbon steel skates with high-quality CU rivet fastening in the heel. The Botas Sabrina ice skates have an upper collar of layered split leather that hugs just below the calf as the skater flows over the ice. It is designed as ice skates for women, and the laminated synthetic suede lining further comforts her foot. A perfect feature for figure skates for girls as well. Also, the layered split leather tongues felt coating enhances the feel of the figure skates leather, making them comfortable for adults or kids' ice skates. This skate uses layers thermotechnology, which reinforces upper for firm support and a high degree of protection for the foot. Moreover, it has unique manufacturing technology that creates a robust and flexible upper, resistant to impact and comfortable for the foot. Comfortably glide around the rink with the cushioned design of the Jackson Ultima Soft Skate 180 recreational ice skates. It is engineered for casual performance that boasts a soft, padded interior, and the Soft Skate 180s consistently keep you supported and maintain your stride. It uses an Ultima Mark I stainless steel blade for long-lasting performance and durability. The PVC outsole enhances stiffness to maintain your speed and pace. Also, its reinforced vinyl upper helps minimize tears for consistent protection. It comes with a padded tongue and rolled collar that provide a cushioned, warm interior for long-lasting comfort. Another advantage is that its lightweight lining softly wraps around your ankle and foot for additional comfort. The Riedell 110 Opal skates are perennial favorites for natural comfort and support in a handsome and affordable boot. These recreational skates offer light support, while the quilted lining cushions feet, and the split-tongue design provides stability on the ice. The skate's maintenance-free PVC sole unit keeps feet dry for hours of continuous use. Its stainless steel spiral blade gives a smooth edge for carefree skating, whether in the rink or on a pond. Also, it has a quilted lining that cushions feet, and the split-tongue design provides stability on the ice. This skate features a stainless steel spiral blade that gives a smooth edge. Engineered to provide explosive power and agility, the American Ice Force 2.0 hockey skate is the lightest it's ever been. It comes with a cutting-edge, customized PVC injection mold that gives it extra lateral support around the ankle and a custom feel right out of the box. Also, the breathable inner liner is softly packed with padding for a customized feel, and it has a nylon blade holder and toe box for durability. To prevent blisters, you can wear super thick socks that act as a cushion between your feet and the boot. Usually, the skate's blades come dull, which forces the buyer to pay extra for sharpening, but the blades on this ice skate come relatively sharp. Another advantage is that it uses the moisture-resistant lining to ensure comfort and an easy break-in. The Jackson Ultima Excel Series JS1290 is a classic-looking white ice skate made with a vinyl-coated upper and synthetic lining to keep your feet dry. The support rating for these skates is light, which means they are an excellent choice for beginners. Also, the foam-backed vinyl/mesh comfort tongue of the skates will make sure that the top of your foot is comfortable and protected from the laces. The blade of the skate is screwed into place, so you will not be able to trade it out if that was your intention. However, the outsole of the skates is made up of stylized PVC, which means it will be durable and reliable underneath your boot. All in all, these skates are a great choice for women just learning to ice skate, especially since you get a lot of value for your money. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.